When can we get started, and when will we take action? Those are the key questions of somebody who with Activator in their top 5 of the Clifton Strengths 34. And in this episode, we're talking about Activator, and we're starting right now. Hey everyone, my name is Gordon, and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about Clifton Strengths, leading a strengths-based life, or anything else leadership related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates. So let me know in the comments below, what's your top 5? What are those top 5 themes that drive your performance and drive your strengths journey? Share that with me in the comments below, and let's jump right in. Today's theme is Activator. So Activator is situated in the influencing domain. It's about moving people, motivating people, inspiring people. And activators do that by taking action. They want movement, they want progress. And so they are driven by understanding that once we make a decision, we're going to go and act on it. We're going to start to make progress. We may still need to learn along the way, but we believe that we will learn best by taking action and continuing to move forward. So it doesn't mean that we have to learn first and then do, rather, let's move and learn as we go along the way. This is what drives activators. This is what makes them exceedingly influential on a team, because teams often have lots of different inputs, have lots of different perspectives, and the activator is what helps get people off of the sideline and helps them stop thinking and being in analysis paralysis and helps them start to move and make progress. Course correcting and doing something different is all a part of being an activator. It's okay, that's healthy. But what drives and feeds the activator is the ability to move and make progress. So that influencing domain, that influencing thinking is what helps activators successfully support teams and successfully lead teams. This is at the core of being an activator, getting action, getting movement. This is where activators thrive. So if you like this episode, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. And don't forget, if you want to get more information on Clifton Strengths, resources, or coaching, check the description below. And don't forget to check out these episodes for more information on the Clifton Strengths 34 Themes series. It's always a privilege and an honor to serve this community. We want to continue to add value to your leadership journey. And so we'll see you in the next one. And until then, be well, everyone. Thanks.